Day in the life of a machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineering sits at the intersection of data science and software engineering. It is a role many aspire to but few fully understand before entering it. Here is an honest picture of the day-to-day work. A significant portion of the day involves data work. Machine learning engineers spend time understanding datasets, identifying quality issues, and building the data pipelines that feed models. Good models require good data. This is the foundation. Model development involves experimenting with architectures, tuning hyperparameters, and evaluating performance across different metrics. This work is iterative and often slow. Experiments that do not work are normal. They are part of the process. Collaboration with data scientists and product teams is regular. Machine learning engineers bridge the gap between research and production. They take models developed by data scientists and make them reliable, scalable, and maintainable. Deployment and monitoring work involves packaging models, building serving infrastructure, and setting up monitoring to detect when model performance degrades over time. Code reviews, documentation, and technical discussions fill the remaining hours. The role demands proficiency in Python, familiarity with ML frameworks, and strong software engineering fundamentals. It is a role where you are never finished learning. The field moves fast. The engineers who thrive are those who embrace that pace rather than resist it.